Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Let's see Pisces, what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, Pisces. Be very mindful of that. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. Okay, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Pisces, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Pisces, let's see. We're starting with two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'll have your mutual energies, your dialogue message cards, action cards, etc. Alright, for the duration of the reading Pisces, for me this is going to be person A, this is going to be person B. If this is your reading, you will know immediately which side you resonate best with, right? So action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Sun card in reverse. Not feeling very happy with the situation, it seems, at the moment. I feel somebody here has a lot of trust issues now with their person. There's a lot of bitterness, there's a lot of anger, there's a bit of upset. Maybe, somebody was very rash and immature in this connection, not making a decision. But I do see one person at least wanting this, the guards to be put down now after this argument, fight, or whatever happened between the two of you, which has led to this place of distrust and anger and upset. I think I do see one person wanting to work things out now. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to start, Pisces, with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start the clarification process. So Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Pisces and their person. And Pisces, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email ID is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Too many fell out together. One by one, spirit, please. Okay. And I'm going to take a few from another deck here, Pisces, and then we start your reading. Pisces and their person spirit. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person. One more. Okay, so having a tough time talking to each other, it seems. Okay. Alright, Pisces, let's start your reading. The first card here says, do you really believe I'm the one for you? Do you really believe I'm the one for you? I tried to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back to you. I miss you so much that it feels like there's a real pain in my chest. I won't show you that though. Yes, somebody's got a blocked heart chakra here. I know I have narcissistic tendencies, but I'm not one. I developed these traits to protect myself. At first I thought it was only sexual attraction, but it's so much more than that. I love you, mind, body, and soul. I'm angry with you, but really I'm angry at myself. It's hard because we can't seem to work out our differences. I'll always remember you. You are unforgettable. I want to make things right between us. I told you, somebody wants to work it out. They want things to work out again between the two of you, but let's see what's happening here. Pisces, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. For my Pisces, my angels, steady progress. Yes, somebody wants to work on this connection again and move it along. Make some steady progress. Let's put this here. All right, so I'm going to start with the energies of person A, Pisces. Like I said, you could be on either side. You would know. For me, I'm reading two energies, okay? So person A is right now feeling in the Queen of Swords in reverse energy. Now, this is upset, anger, distrust. Feeling it's time to... Okay, too many cards fell out. I'm going to put these back and do this again. Queen of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Queen of Swords in reverse. Feeling very unmotivated, feeling things have just not taken off. There's a lot of sadness, there's a lot of regret, there's a lot of anger, there's a lot of, thoughts about the past or how something which they really maybe had a lot of passion for, it really didn't take off. And that's what's making person A feel, I can't even trust my person anymore. I'm angry with them, I'm upset with them. What a waste of time, energy, effort. Because nothing really fruitified here. They feel their person was an emotional manipulator who never, showed emotions or took them for granted or basically played games with their heart, basically, and yet never gave to the connection. Knight of Swords, Spirit. Why do they feel like the Knight of Swords? Knight of Swords. Oops. Things are stuck. Things are stuck. I think person A could be feeling very angry at the moment, maybe very frustrated and upset at the blockage that has come between the two of you, feeling very stuck in a place where they feel there is no movement. Wheel of Fortune is in reverse, stuck energy. Chariot in reverse, stuck energy. And then the Hangman in reverse, trying to get out of a stuck place because they're feeling very frustrated and angry at the moment. What happened, Spirit, to person A in the recent past for them to feel this way? Three of Cups in reverse. What was meant to be a celebration, what was meant to be a reunion or happiness or something between the two of you, I think that came to a close here, Pisces. Somebody's hopes got dashed. Somebody's wishes did not come true, their hopes got dashed. Maybe there was a no to a commitment with the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody was unwilling to invest and that became toxic in this connection. Somebody was unwilling to budge. Maybe they had pride issues or anger issues, or they were just whatever they were. I'm not going to comment on that right now, but something toxic happened which person A felt that this is a waste of time. This is a waste of time. My person is just not budging, not willing to invest, not willing to give me that commitment. So then what happened, Spirit? Then what happened? Person A kind of felt a little abandoned, left out in the cold, and maybe felt that their person was being very immature. What's this, Magician? What's this, Magician, Spirit? I think only one person was trying to manifest this. Or maybe person A, okay, now I get it. In the recent past, I think person A was still trying to manifest that somehow we can work this out together. Something can happen where this broken heart can be fixed. But because that hasn't happened till now, it's making person A kind of lose hope, kind of feeling stuck, feeling frustrated because their manifestations for maybe things working out is not happening. Even person A does want to work things out. So how does person A now feel about the connection, Spirit? I think person A is kind of lost hope. They feel, what's the point? There is no fertility, growth, abundance with the other person. One more. Empress in reverse. Someone's deeply unhappy at the fact, yes, frustrated angry, upset that a decision is not being made. and they feel a bit dethroned. I mean, an Empress in reverse is, somebody who's not got that commitment, or there's no promise of the future, or not respected. I don't know. This making person A feel that there is no wish fulfillment here. My person has sneaked away, run away. I don't know what. But yet, I think person A is healing right now. They are wishing and hoping. I have a feeling person A is back of their mind, still in limbo, still waiting, still wishing. Even though they feel that this connection is very overwhelming or very burdening, back of the mind, I think person A still wishes for some kind of victory. They're still wishing and hoping, and not that, I mean, they're not actively making any moves, but they could be kind of subconsciously waiting for things to get better. So let's see what action person A will take. I'll open later, Pisces. Let's go on to the other side and see what's happening here. Person B has the Two of Swords. They feel very foolish that they didn't make a decision. They know that they made a very unwise, selfish choice by blocking their heart, by not offering anything or not making a decision in the past. I have a feeling person A may want to return. Yes, here it is. They do want to return, but they're kind of a little bit going back and forth as to how to. They want to come forward with a offer of love. They do want to come forward to person A with a love offer. They do want to return, but they're feeling very foolish at the fact that they never made that choice when the time was right. They do want this fight to end, though. They want to hold on to this connection. Yes, they do want this fight to end. They sense that person A could be holding back from them, may not be ready to reconcile with them at the moment because of their selfish behavior or their unwise decision. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Person B knew that person A is their soulmate. They felt the connection very, very, very strong. But what did they do? No justice. What's this Two of Cups, Spirit? What happened in the recent past? Yes, they didn't respect their person. They made some very foolish, unwise choice, decision, and they disrespected their person by not offering them a place in their life. The Queen of Pentacles upright is the perfect spouse, right? They found their person, but they disrespected or disregarded this Queen of Pentacles. And now they are realizing they made a very unwise decision or a choice. They're realizing that some injustice has been done now in this connection. Justice in reverse, Spirit? Justice in reverse. They were just too stubborn. They were trying to be controlling. Maybe they didn't, they were not sure. This card came out sideways. They were not sure whether they were ready for the happily ever after or not, right? Even though they recognized that this is my soulmate, this is a very special person, they felt a strong bond with person A, maybe they were not really sure about committing. And in their stubbornness or their my way or the highway, I love that line, but in their trying to control how and when how this connection would proceed, they did something which kind of stagnated this connection altogether. How does person B now feel about the connection, Spirit? Person B wants to work it out. They also want to work it out. They want the Wheel of Fortune to be moving in the correct direction now. They want good luck to come back into this connection. It's in the upright, so they are hoping that things go smooth. Three of Pentacles, Spirit? Three of Pentacles. Why do they feel like this about the connection or person A now? One more. They want to bring back justice to their person. They want to work things out with their person, but because they know they have upset their person big time. They now want to turn this justice card, which was upside down, into, upright position. I want to bring justice. I want to make things right with the person that I have upset very badly. I know they are angry and upset with me, so person B does want to work things out. Wheel of Fortune, Wheel of Fortune, Wheel of Fortune. For person, how person B sees this connection. One more. One more. I think they want to communicate. They do want to communicate. They do want to rebuild this connection now. Except they're feeling like whatever mind games they played with person A, they are feeling like the loser now. Whatever conflict, competition, or whatever they did or brought into this connection, it's made them feel like eventually they lost. Not only are they feeling like they are the loser, they also fear that the love is lost now. Why? Because there's silence between the two of you, and neither of you are really showing anything to the other person. Neither of you are really putting in any steady progress for this connection to, build up. So as much as they want to work things out, maybe you guys are not talking to each other. First they want to communicate and figure out, maybe where person A stands now. Let's see if you guys will take action. And Pisces, if you guys are still here, that means you're getting something out of this read. Just a click on that thumbs up button would really help this video to circulate to even more people. And it would also make me feel very happy to know I'm connecting with you people, okay? So, and newbies, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be seeing you again on Friday for your love bite. So person A, the action they intend to take is the 10 of Cups, but in reverse. They're not sure that this can go the long haul now. They've kind of becoming disappointed. They're not going to fight for this. As much as they are hoping and waiting, I do see them waiting and not moving on with anyone else. They're kind of disappointed because I think this person has really tried and they could be tired now. They could be a bit exhausted and they don't have the energy or the strength to be making the first move here, Pisces, I'll be honest. Person B, it'll have to be you. Will you take any action? Four of Swords in reverse. Why is that an action? They do want to return. They do want to return. I think this person has been also reflecting for a very long time. They want to come out of this no action mode of theirs where they were taking some time out or reflecting. They do want to come out of this mode now. I think there's a bit of fear attached. Or maybe they feel I don't know what I'm going to face, where the person is, or even willing because I've refused them, what they wanted in the past. So there's a bit of fear attached to making that move towards person A. But heart of hearts, believe it or not, person B wants to come back. They want to come back to their soulmate. They see person A as, with sweet thoughts about past memories. They do want to return. So will they pick up the courage, Spirit? Can I take another card, please? Will person B make an effort? Person B, any action from your end? I think they're a bit angry at the moment. They're a bit angry, upset. I think there's a lack of clarity. In their mind, they feel that this Empress has already decided that I don't want you anymore. So they don't know the truth. All they know is that person walked away. That the person has walked away, is no longer fighting for this connection. This person doesn't know how to start a conversation now. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the King of Swords in reverse. But in this spread at this present moment, it doesn't look like they're being mean or harsh. It just looks like they don't know what to say because they don't have the clarity about how person A feels. They do want to return. So let's see, let's wait and watch. Maybe there'll be some steady progress in this connection. I do see one person hurt as they are, giving up, but their heart still yearns for some victory with person B, and person B also wants them back but feels it's already over and they will not be accepted back. So we'll see what happens in the next reading. Pisces, till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.